Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link in the comment section. So, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on gold. So, we will be expecting more movement to the upside on gold. Gold has gotten to its highest level, which is about 2,500 something. So we can see we're ranging within this level, but before we actually ranged within this level, gold was literally pushing up, right? As you can see it from here, this was clearly an uptrend move. Like, this was the impulse move, then the corrective wave came in, then we had this impulse move, then within this level markets ranged, which you can call the corrective wave, and now another impulse move. So basically more movement is what we'll be expecting this week on gold. So gold will still give us that movement to the upside. So possibly we should be able to be targeting our next level on gold should be about 3,000. Let's see if we'll be able to hit it within the space of 2 weeks. So more movement to the upside on gold. So follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link in the comment section.